Hello and welcome to this short video on how to make a camera shake when you hold down a key. So this is what it looks like. If I hold down the X key, the camera will start shaking. If I release the X key, it will stop shaking. Now I have done this by creating a camera shake blueprint here. Which is generated by going blueprint class, search for camera shake, and I'm using the Matinee camera shake. Okay, now I have gone in and I have changed a number of the different settings. You can play around with these to get the kind of effect that you want. Okay, so the main bit I'd like to look at is here. This is on the third person character. So this is the pawn that we're actually using. Now what I've got is, rather than using tick, I'm using set timer by event. So if you would look at my camera shake, the oscillation duration I put is 0.1 of a second. So this camera shake will only run for 0.1 of a second, and I've created a timer that goes every 0.1 of a second. So this event, and it's set to looping, this event will fire every 0.1 of a second. Now I have created a gate, and I'm using the X key in order to open and close this gate. So when it's pressed, it opens the gate. When it's released, it closes the gate. And I've ticked start closed just so that we can run it. So this event is running every 0.1 of a second, and when the gate is open, it will play the world camera shake at the follow camera's location. So it is as straightforward as that. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.